Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a LeetCode problem number 1791, call it Find Center of Star Graph. So, we have a graph where there's one center node connected to every other node. Our task is to find the center node based on the given edge. Let's look at it step by step. So, first of all, we are given an indirect star graph with node labeled from 1 to n. The graph has exactly n minus 1 edges connected to the center node, all the other nodes. Our job: find that elusive center node. Here's a few examples where number 2 is its center node, it connects, and another where we use 1 is connected node. So, what we'll do? We will compare the first node of the first edges with both nodes of the second edge. Then, if they matches either of them, we return the first node of the first edge as the center. Otherwise, we will return the second node of the first edge at the center. So, we will use return and make it one line. We'll use edges or theirs. First, we'll compare it to first edge, then write end statement, so edges, compare it to after it, we'll write otherwise statement, edges 0, and otherwise edges 1 there. Okay, let's run it. Let's work and submit. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was interesting for you. Goodbye.